The male reproductive system is a complex network of organs and glands responsible for producing, storing, and delivering sperm necessary for reproduction. It also plays a vital role in the production of male sex hormones, particularly testosterone, which influences male characteristics and overall reproductive health. This system comprises both external and internal organs, each performing specific functions to facilitate reproduction. Understanding the anatomy and function of the male reproductive system is essential for maintaining reproductive health and addressing any potential disorders that may arise. Anatomy of the male reproductive system. The male reproductive system is composed of external organs, including the penis and scrotum, and internal organs such as the testes, epididymis, vas deferens, seminal vesicles, prostate gland, and urethra. Each organ has a distinct role in the production and transport of sperm. External organs. The penis is the primary external organ involved in reproduction and urination. It is made of spongy erectile tissue that fills with blood during sexual arousal, resulting in an erection. The penis facilitates the transfer of sperm into the female reproductive tract during intercourse. It also houses the urethra, a tube that serves a dual function, carrying urine from the bladder and transporting semen during ejaculation. The scrotum is a sac-like structure that holds the testes outside the body. This positioning is crucial for sperm production, as sperm development requires a temperature lower than the body's core temperature. The scrotum regulates temperature by contracting and relaxing to bring the testes closer to or farther from the body. Internal organs. The testes, or testicles, are the primary reproductive glands responsible for producing sperm and the hormone testosterone. Each testis contains seminiferous tubules, where millions of sperm cells are continuously produced through a process called spermatogenesis. These sperm are initially immature and need to pass through a maturation process before becoming capable of fertilization. The epididymis is a coiled tube located at the back of each testis. It serves as a site for sperm maturation and storage. Sperm gain motility and the ability to fertilize an egg as they pass through the epididymis, a process that takes several days. The vas deferens is a muscular tube that transports mature sperm from the epididymis to the ejaculatory ducts. During ejaculation, the vas deferens contracts, propelling sperm forward. Along this pathway, sperm mix with seminal fluids from accessory glands to form semen. The seminal vesicles are glandular structures that secrete a fructose-rich fluid, providing energy for sperm movement. This fluid makes up a significant portion of semen and enhances the survival of sperm in the female reproductive tract. The prostate gland produces an alkaline fluid that neutralizes the acidity of the female reproductive system, ensuring sperm viability. This gland surrounds the urethra and contributes to semen volume. The bulbourethral glands, Cooper's glands, release a clear, lubricating fluid that neutralizes any residual acidity in the urethra before ejaculation, protecting sperm from damage. Process of sperm production and ejaculation. The production of sperm, known as spermatogenesis, occurs within the seminiferous tubules of the testes. This process takes about 64 to 72 days, with millions of sperm being produced daily. Once mature, sperm travel to the epididymis, where they continue to develop and gain motility. During sexual arousal, sperm are transported from the epididymis through the vas deferens and into the urethra, where they mix with fluids from the seminal vesicles, prostate gland, and bulbourethral glands. This mixture, known as semen, is then expelled from the body during ejaculation. Each ejaculation typically contains between 200 to 500 million sperm, though only one sperm is needed to fertilize an egg. Hormonal regulation of the male reproductive system. The male reproductive system is regulated by a complex interplay of hormones controlled by the hypothalamus, pituitary gland, and testes. The hypothalamus releases gonadotropin-releasing hormone, GnRH, which signals the pituitary gland to release luteinizing hormone, LH, and follicle-stimulating hormone, FSH. LH stimulates the testes to produce testosterone, the primary male sex hormone responsible for sperm production, muscle development, and secondary sexual characteristics like a deep voice and facial hair. FSH works alongside testosterone to regulate spermatogenesis. Maintaining a balance of these hormones is crucial for male fertility and overall reproductive health. Common disorders and health issues. Several conditions can affect the male reproductive system, impacting fertility and overall well-being. 1. Erectile dysfunction, ED, the inability to achieve or maintain an erection, often caused by physical conditions, such as diabetes or cardiovascular disease, or psychological factors, like stress and anxiety. 2. Infertility, a condition where a male has a low sperm count, poor sperm motility, or abnormal sperm morphology, making conception difficult. 3. Testicular disorders, these include conditions such as testicular torsion, twisting of the testis, cutting off blood supply, and infections like orchitis. 4. Prostate disorders, conditions like benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, enlarged prostate, and prostate cancer are common among aging men and can affect urinary and reproductive functions. Lifestyle and male reproductive health. Lifestyle choices significantly impact male reproductive health. A healthy diet, regular exercise, and avoiding smoking, alcohol abuse, and drug use can improve sperm quality and overall reproductive function. Chronic stress and lack of sleep can also affect testosterone levels and fertility. Regular medical checkups and early detection of reproductive issues are essential for maintaining long-term reproductive health. Conclusion: the male reproductive system is a well-coordinated system of organs and hormones that work together to produce, store, and transport sperm for fertilization. Every component, from the testes to the prostate gland, plays a vital role in ensuring reproductive success. However, various factors, including hormonal imbalances, lifestyle choices, and medical conditions, can affect the system's efficiency. Understanding its functions and maintaining good reproductive health through proper lifestyle habits and medical care are crucial for ensuring fertility and overall well-being. By adopting a healthy lifestyle and being aware of potential reproductive health concerns, men can take proactive steps to support their reproductive function throughout life.